Hey, welcome back to HostiFi. My name's Alex and today we're looking at the LiteBeam 5AC. This has been out for a few years and we're going to show you how to build the entire device as well as mount it to a pole. So this is a point-to-multipoint device used for long-range air-max communication. So you can connect this to a Rocket 5AC Prism, NanoStation 5AC, and this is rated for about 10 to 15 kilometers. All the specs are on screen right now and it's about $120 in the US. Again, the prices will be on screen. So we've got three sides to the antenna. So this all comes flat packed, and the main selling point is this sort of has a footprint in the box size of the NanoStation 5AC. So it's cost effective for shipping. So it all comes flat packed and these three sides lock together to give you a big antenna. There's also a mounting brackets over here, quite a few little screws that we'll get to, as well as the main antenna feed itself with the Ethernet port there for PoE. The LiteBeam 5AC is 24 volts PoE only, so the 802.3 AF PoE standard won't work with these devices. It does come with a 24 volt PoE injector, and you can connect it to any edge switch or UISP switches, as well as some older unified switches that allow you to do 24 volts. So we're going to get to it and build this antenna. So got the middle piece here. It's got a cutout for the antenna that goes through there, as well as some mounting screws and some mounting holes in there. So what first thing you want to do is get this side piece and put it. There's some larger holes and you can basically slide it in. Same again for the right hand side as well. So there's some little holes there you can pop it into and then slide it down, it locks into place, and then you just need to use the screws to get it all secure. So we're going to do that now. So now the antenna is put together, next thing we need to do is put the bracket on the back piece here. And there's these little cutout pieces which line up with these two cutout here. And then what you can do is pop that on top there. It sort of grips the sides. And then if we push onto that, there's also some little sections for it there. There we go. And there's two little holes there which it should line up with as well. So next thing to do is put the antenna feed in the antenna. That sort of slots nicely into there. And then there's a screw hole with a rubber band for the Ethernet cables. So next thing we want to do is get the mounting bracket situation sorted. So works in two pieces. So this piece slots into there, and then this section mounts to the pole itself, and then you can adjust it left and right as needed. So with this piece here, all you have to do is there's two little locking mechanisms. So best thing to do is get one side. Get the one side lifted in, and then the next side should sort of slot in on that side, and then we've got the up and down adjustment now. So let's get this section in, so that just slots into there. There's a long screw piece here which also goes in here to adjust the elevation. There's a thread. There's a bolt with a thread on it that goes into there, and that adjusts our elevation. So we can do that up. There's a secondary screw here which goes into here to adjust this part here to make sure that the left and right does not move at all. So we can undo that again. We want to get it dead straight for this purpose. You do that screw up, and then what you can do is put the carabiner clip through there and we can mount it to the pole. So the mounting situation for the LiteBeam 5AC is very simple. What you need to do is get the carabiner clip around this pole here, this section, and then what you can do is do up this piece here by hand, and then eventually a screwdriver. Then once that's tight, what you can do is undo this side here, and that allows you to adjust the up and down. So if you lock it off there, and then if you want to adjust the left and right, if this was tighter, you'd undo this side here. Then adjust that left and right, and then you can again lock it off if you need to. So imagine we're going to do it there. To lock that off. That's nice and secure now, if the pole was an actual pole. Alright, there we have it, the LiteBeam 5AC. If you want to learn more about HostiFi, have a look at HostiFi.com. We do hosting for UniFi, UISP, and now TP-Link Armada. If you've got a project you're working on, have a look at HostiFi.com/pro and hire an expert today. If you have any questions about UniFi, UISP, or TP-Link Armada, contact our team at support@HostiFi.com and someone will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video. My name's Alex, and we'll see you again next time.